This e-lecture focuses on the global importance of sustainability in DIY projects and how they contribute to a more circular economy. It will guide participants through an analysis of how DIY practices extend the life of products, reduce environmental impact, and foster sustainable business models. The first topic we will explore is evaluating the sustainability of DIY practices, where we will look at how reusing, repairing, and upcycling contribute to environmental conservation. Second, DIY and localized circular economies will highlight how individual action can promote local resource management and sustainable consumption. Lastly, scaling DIY for global impact will focus on how small, sustainable DIY initiatives can collectively influence broader global environmental goals. Through this lecture, participants will understand how their creative solution can be part of the larger sustainability movement, both locally and globally. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.